Guys, now she's in her place. She's happy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy here. Into this video, I will show you how to clean my plant vase or vase here. And cause see, it's like I think the salty from the water. Now it's hardened, so I need to clean it so that my plant will make so healthy and beautiful, like me. Joke. Okay, guys, keep on watching. As you can see, guys, here, look, it's so hard. This one. And now I will put the baking soda, guys, and then I will put vinegar. All you need here, the vinegar, baking soda, see, and then a little bit of water, and then you scrub this. See, guys, it's off fast. And then you can add down dish soap. Then you scrub until it's done, or you can leave it so that it will go more soft when you scrub it later. All you can do is you can use this one too, it's more faster. So easy, guys, to clean. Like ito, you can clean like this too. Wash it and you will see how easy and fast it's that. See a little bit, but you see how clean? See, guys? All shiny. Okay, let's dry it and put my plants. There you go, guys. See, nice and clean. So let's put back my plants back in her home. There you go, guys. So now she's happy. So guys, she's back in her home and look beautiful. So thank you for watching and hope this video is helpful for you. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell button below and ring all the bell. Thank you and share some love. Bye. See you in my next one.